Hello, IG Garage family. Have you come across the dreaded P0198 error code while diagnosing your car? Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, we'll unravel the mystery behind the P0198 code, pinpoint the exact location of the oil temperature sensor, and get your vehicle running smoothly again. Stick around till the end, as I'll also suggest 2 related videos to help you tackle similar issues. Let's dive right in. The P0198 code stands for Engine Oil Temperature Sensor Circuit High. This means the engine control module, ECM, is detecting an unusually high voltage signal from the oil temperature sensor, which could indicate a faulty sensor, wiring issue, or even an overheating engine. Now, where is this sensor located? The engine oil temperature, EOT sensor, is usually located in the engine block or oil pan. On most vehicles, you'll find it threaded into the side of the oil filter housing or near the oil pressure sensor. Look for a small, cylindrical sensor with a 2-wire electrical connector attached to it. It's crucial to identify this component for accurate troubleshooting. Common causes of the P0198 code include a faulty engine oil temperature sensor, wiring or connector damage in the sensor circuit, high engine oil temperatures caused by low oil levels or poor oil quality, a malfunctioning ECM, although this is rare. How to fix it? Start by inspecting the sensor and its wiring. Look for signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Test the sensor with a multimeter to ensure it's functioning properly. If it's defective, replace it with a new one. Check your engine oil level and quality. Top up or change the oil if needed. If the problem persists, verify the signal from the ECM and replace it only as a last resort. Clearing the code after addressing the issue should get your car back on track. And there you have it, the P0198 code doesn't have to be a headache. If this guide helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert advice on diagnosing and fixing car problems. Also, don't miss these 2 related videos, P0030, Heated Oxygen Sensor Control Circuit, P0221, Throttle Pedal Position Sensor B Circuit Range and Performance. Check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.